Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to make or set Elementor field read only using custom JavaScript in WordPress. Before starting work, as my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our Elementor form and this is our field. Now you see product name and we are in advanced and then you see field ID. So we are going to set this field read only by using custom code. Now go to form. So this is our form and we are fetching product name title auto. So we are going to make it read only. Now you see. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet. And then you see add snippet, so click on it. And then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. And then you see select the code type. Now select JavaScript, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. And then you can add title. Then you see code preview. Now paste code. And you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see we are going to set attribute read only. And then you see document.getElementById. And then you see field underscore 1740 E41. So this is our field ID. So you can add your field ID. Now go to form again. And then you see ID we are using in custom code. So you can add your field ID. Now back to code. And then scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location site-wide header. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to form page and refresh the page. So we are fetching product name title auto. Now you see, so when we click on it, so we cannot enter any data. Now you see, or we cannot remove any field or text. So this is our read only. Right click on it and then click on inspect. Now you see input and then you see read only. Now close. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.